Hey, hold on. Stop scrolling. Stop everything you are doing right now. Because what you are about to watch in the next few minutes is going to absolutely blow your mind. I am not exaggerating. I am not hyping you up for nothing. What you are about to see is real, it is raw, and it is the most terrifying and beautiful machine that human engineering has ever produced. So sit back, turn up your volume, and do not, I repeat, do not touch that skip button. Because this right here, is going to change the way you think about air power forever. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we are talking about a fighter jet that does not just fly, it hunts. A machine that does not just fight, it dominates. A jet so advanced, so deadly, so perfectly engineered that even the world's most powerful air forces look at it and say, wow. We are talking about the Dassault Rafale F5, the Super Rafale, France's ultimate weapon in the sky. Now before we dive deep, let me ask you something. When you think of France, what comes to your mind? The Eiffel Tower, fine wine, beautiful fashion. Yeah, forget all of that for the next few minutes. Because the France we are talking about today builds machines that can split the sky at supersonic speeds, hunt down enemies hundreds of miles away, and strike targets with surgical precision that would make your jaw drop to the floor. This is not the France of romance. This is the France of raw, unstoppable air power. The Dassault Rafale F5. Let that name sink in for a second. Rafale. In French, that word means a burst of gunfire, a sudden gust of wind, a violent explosive force. And trust me, every single thing about this jet lives up to that name in every possible way. Let us start with what makes the F5 different from every other Rafale that came before it. The F5 is not just an upgrade. It is a complete transformation. Dassault Aviation, the legendary French aerospace company that has been building some of the world's most respected combat aircraft for decades, looked at the already incredible Rafale platform and said, we can do better. We can go further. We can build something that the world has never seen before. And that is exactly what they did. The Rafale F5 comes equipped with the next generation AESA radar system, the RBE-2ING, which can track multiple targets simultaneously at extreme long ranges while the jet is flying at supersonic speeds through the most hostile airspace on the planet. We are talking about a radar so powerful it can see threats that other jets cannot even begin to detect. This is not science fiction. This is French engineering at its absolute finest. Now let us talk about speed. The Rafale F5 reaches speeds of Mach 1.8, that is 1.8 times the speed of sound. Think about that. This aircraft is moving so fast that by the time you hear it coming, it has already been over you, done its job, and is heading home for dinner. The twin Snecma M88 4E engines push out an incredible combined thrust that gives this jet the raw power to climb, turn, accelerate, and dominate in ways that most fighter pilots can only dream about. And the weapons. Oh my goodness, the weapons. The Rafale F5 carries the Meteor missile, arguably the most lethal beyond visual range air-to-air missile on the planet right now. The Meteor does not just fly toward a target. It chases it down. It hunts it, with its ramjet propulsion giving it a no-escape zone that is 3 times larger than any previous missile. Once a Meteor is locked onto you, your options are basically zero. Then add the Scalp cruise missile for precision deep strike missions, the AASM Hammer guided bombs for ground attack, the Mach missiles for close combat, and the nuclear-capable ASMPA standoff missile, and you have a weapons system so complete, so lethal, that this one jet can handle air superiority, ground attack, anti-ship missions, nuclear deterrence, and deep strike operations all by itself. One jet, everything, done. The cockpit of the Rafale F5 is another story entirely. Dassault built a cockpit so advanced, so intuitive, that the pilot is not just flying an aircraft, the pilot is commanding a complete battle management system. The helmet-mounted display allows the pilot to target enemies simply by looking at them. The wide-angle HUD gives full situational awareness. The touchscreen multifunction displays give real-time tactical information. This is a jet that works with its pilot, not against them, turning one human being into a one-person air force. And let us talk about France, the nation that built this incredible machine. France has one of the most sophisticated and powerful aerospace industries in the entire world. Dassault Aviation, founded in 1929, has been at the cutting edge of military aviation for nearly a century. France invests massively in its defense technology, and the Rafale F5 is the ultimate proof of that commitment. The French Air and Space Force and the French Navy both operate this jet, and multiple allied nations around the world have chosen the Rafale because they know, when you fly a Rafale, you fly the best. The Rafale F5 is also built for the future. With AI-assisted targeting, enhanced electronic warfare systems, new generation self-protection suites, and compatibility with the next generation of hypersonic weapons being developed right now, this jet is not just ready for today's battlefield. It is ready for tomorrow's war that nobody has even imagined yet. Think about what it means to be a pilot strapping into a Rafale F5 on a cold morning on an airbase somewhere. You are sitting inside one of the most advanced machines humanity has ever built. You have weapons under your wings that can reach out and touch targets hundreds of miles away. You have a radar that can see everything. You have engines that can push you past the sound barrier in seconds. You are not just a pilot. You are a force of nature. You are unstoppable. Now here is a question I want you to think about and answer in the comments below. If the Dassault Rafale F5 Super Rafale went head-to-head against the F-35 Lightning II in a real combat scenario, who wins? Think about it. Consider the speed, the weapons, the radar, the agility, the electronic warfare. Drop your answer in the comments. I want to read every single one of your responses. Let us have that conversation. Because here at SkyWatch Global, that is what we do. We bring you the most powerful, the most detailed, the most jaw-dropping content on military aviation and defense technology anywhere on YouTube. No fluff, no filler. Just pure, raw, powerful information delivered the way it deserves to be delivered. If this video gave you something, if it taught you something, if it made your heart beat a little faster, if it made you look at air power differently, then do one thing for me right now. Hit that subscribe button on SkyWatch Global. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single video. Drop a like on this video because it genuinely helps this channel grow. Share this video with every aviation fan and defense enthusiast you know. And leave a comment below. Tell me your thoughts on the Rafale F5. Tell me what jet you want to see covered next. Tell me anything. I read every comment personally. This is SkyWatch Global, and we will see you in the next one.